Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the friendlies on your FIFA 23. Okay, so when you take a look on the right bottom corner, as you can see, that's the R2 button and also this icon with your friends and the number 0. So to open the friendlies we have to tap on the R2, and as you can see, that's our friendlies. I'm using the EA Play and that's how it looks on the PC, but I guess it's probably looks the same for any other platform like Steam or Origin. So yeah, you have to just press R2 and the friendlies will be open. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.